产品和水稻作为重要的食物来源，在确保国家粮食安全、应对各类风险挑战和促进经济社会持续健康发展中起到至关重要的作用。中国水产科学研究院淡水渔业研究中心渔农综合种养创新团队，针对传统稻田养鱼模式技术粗放、资源研发了稻鱼生态种养提质增效关键技术，
critical technologies for the rice fish technology,
生态养殖、
the ecological
病
farming,
害防控等技术
the
内容
disease
与环节，
prevention,
涵盖稻鱼、
and
稻
we have
鳖、 稻
the
虾、
integrated
稻
farming
青、稻
mode
蟹、
of the
稻蛙、稻
rice
鸭
fish,
等七
the
大类模
rice
式。
frog, rice
该技术要
duck,
求
so many
稻
different
鱼、
kinds.
稻虾、稻蟹、稻鳖等模式，
Also
沟
the
坑面积
turtle,
占比
and
应在
we have a
5%。
standard for the gaps
沟坑面积占
between
比
the
应
paddle field. The gap should accounting for 5% to 10% between the paddle field.
沟坑面积占比应在5%至10%之间，配套防逃
And
防御
also
设
we
施，
are
保
having
证水
some
稻产量不减。
preventing escaping measures. That is to maintain the output of the rice.
水稻应选择抗
Also
倒
we have
伏、
some
抗病力
standards
强、
for
高产优质水
the
稻品
rice
种，
species
利
we are
用边
planting.
形优势密茬、环沟沟
And
边
we
加
have
密、
some required
工程占地减少的学术。
technologies for
水稻
planting
种
the
植过程
rice.
中，以基肥为主，
So
堆
for the
肥为辅的原则。
fertilization for the rice
肥料
field,
以发酵
we
熟热的有
also
机肥为主，
have
无机
some
肥以
selection
尿素、
like
钙磷为主。
organic fertilizers, and also like the also we're combining the organic fertilizers together with the commercial fertilizers.
So this fertilizer is used animals feces and some maybe some waste, yeah, maybe
就是有机肥的，就是那种。
organic fertilizers.
肥为主。苗种入稻田前
Also
需
for
严格消毒，
the fish or
同时
crab
定
or
期在饲
shrimp
料
that
中添加维
cultured
生素
in
C
the
进行预防，
in the
并定
field,
期对
we
水
are
体
also
进行消杀处
selecting
理。
them, and we will
选
add
用高效、
vitamin
低
C
毒、
to
低残留农药
disinfection.
或新型设施设
And for the drugs we apply for the paddle field, we are applying those kind of like low poisonous and more efficient ones.
防治水稻病虫害，利用微生态调控
And
措
we
施，
have some
协
microecological
助
adjustment measures, and like the combination of bacteria and algae to improve the paddle field environment.
土壤情况、虫的情况，还有气象都会监测。
是那种智能还是智能平台？We have some like intelligent, or we call it the intelligent platform to monitoring the environment, the earth, the environment of the whole area, the paddle field area, and we have putting some sensors in that area, so we can just see the results or analyze it online.
改善稻田环境，调优外部生长环境，防控病害的发
And
生。
also some disease prevention measures.
该技术于2023年、2024年连续列入农业农村部主推技术。
In the past 2 years, the major technology invented by FFRC of this rice fish field is recognized by the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Affairs as the critical technology.
支撑建设了国家级岛屿综合。
We are supporting. We are having. We are offering guidance for 10 national demonstration area of the rice fish farming.
示范区10个，先后在江苏、湖北、四川、云南、湖南、辽宁等10多个省。
Many different bases in all around China. You can see there are different provinces.
So the southwest and southeast and the plant. So here you can see is all landscapes. Here is maybe plants, a lot of plants. Here is the north of China, south of China. So it's about 10 provinces in China. They do maybe the different species. Here is rice and fish. This three provides is the crayfish, rice and crayfish. The ingenious provides in the crayfish and fish.
个省累计示范推广面积超过594.2万亩，取得了良好的经济、社会和生态效益。
The Chinese unit, and we are achieving very successful ecological results.